When we had our first litter of kittens, I didn't expect my dogs to get so attached to them. And as cute as it all was, there's one thing I definitely don't miss, dealing with a litter box. With multiple cats, it gets even worse. Litter comes up fast, odors build quickly, and you end up scooping constantly. That's why I started looking into smart litter boxes, especially for times when you want to leave home for a few days without worrying about smell or maintenance. I decided to try the Oneisall Ease S1. After a cat uses it, it automatically separates the waste from the clean litter and drops it into a sealed bin below, so there's no daily scooping and the bin can last up to 2 weeks, which is perfect for multi-cat homes. I also like the open top design. It feels more natural for cats and gives them plenty of space to move comfortably. Cleaning it is surprisingly easy too. All the parts that come into contact with the waste can be removed without tools, so you can clean them individually, and the silicone liner pops out like a trash bag, making it cleanup quick and mess-free. Meatball is usually picky with the new litter boxes, but after sniffing around, she tried it almost immediately. It also has safety sensors that stop the machine if a cat approaches, and it runs very quietly. If you want to check it out, you can visit the official website for the link below to reserve early access and grab the launch discount. This is the Kung Fu Kitty.